Moving on to AUDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. This is the supply zone is currently in control, and any retracement could just be met with a big move in towards the downside. Although it is important to note that there is no liquidity within this zone here or in the leg down, and therefore the high itself is likely to be the liquidity that price would need to push price down. We have seen a liquidation of this low, and we've still got this low open, but we are trading close to it. If we follow the daily bias, we would like to see another drive in towards the upside from one of these points of liquidity, but from where it's trading at, it is likely that we take out the swing low here. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had our most recent 4-hour break of structure here, swing high, swing low. This is a point of liquidity, and the highest high on that descending highs is also the next available point of liquidity. If we see a break of any of these, a liquidation, we could then look for the next leg in towards the downside if we see the order flow shift, but I would prefer it from the higher point of liquidity, that being this high over here. I'd be happy to aggressively scale in at this level, as we do not expect it to break this high. One, it's the swing high, and two, it's also a very strong because it liquidated something to the left. Moving on to NZDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had our break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We've seen the liquidation of this low, but then we failed to put in a new higher high. Since then, we've now had an internal break of structure in towards the downside, confirming to me that for the immediate to short term, it will be short positions. We've got our 4-hour break of structure down here, followed by another 4-hour break of structure here. So this is the current swing range that we're trading within, and nothing looks too clean all the way down here. We've just got descending highs, and that is a big liquidity target. So I would like at some point in the near future to see this get taken before we see that structure shift, where we can start looking for our higher probable shorts. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, it is relatively similar to the 4-hour. This whole section here is not too clean, so I would just be following my bias from the 4-hour time frame.